How you going? Welcome back. My name's Lee from Lily's Kitchen. I thought today I would show you how I make my cheese toastie, or the grilled cheese, what it's called in other places. So some really simple ingredients, okay? So we've got standard white bread. That is all you need. Now, this is only a sandwich, so it's pretty thin, but if you've got toast or even Texas toast, that'd be fantastic for that. Then I've got some Colby or Colby Jack cheese here. That is my preferred one for melting. And then also we've got some butter. And this goes so quickly, and I've been doing my toasties this way, and I think they turn out amazing. Let's get on to it. So the first step, we're gonna melt the actual butter. So most of the time you just spread it on and just put it into your frying pan or your sandwich press. I find melting it first actually really helps. So I'm gonna put this into the microwave and I'll be back. All right, so now we're gonna get a frying pan onto the heat. So we're gonna have it on just a low, medium heat. You know, I'm using my Australian-made cast iron frying pan. And we'll let that just gently heat up. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab our melted butter. Now I use unsalted butter, so I'm gonna actually just add just a little bit of salt to this. I find just using unsalted butter is just a lot easier, so that you can always just add your salt afterwards anyway. And then we're just gonna have a quick stir. And we're gonna dab the butter into the bread. Now I think melting the butter causes the fat and the actual sauce to actually kind of come together, so it actually toasts up a lot better. So always do the top and bottom. I'll flip two over, put our cheese inside, and you could also do things like ham, cheese, tomato. I'm just going to show the basics for today. Then we're going to put the lid on. That's it. That's going to go into the frying pan once that's preheated. All right, so now we're going to lower it into the frying pan. And we want to keep our frying pan at a medium low heat. We don't want to cook this too fast. We want to give it an opportunity for all that butter to all caramelize and for that cheese to melt inside. So we're just going to leave it like this. And you can see I didn't use any oil or anything on my frying pan. I don't think it needs it. And we're just going to leave it like that for 2 to 3 minutes. And then we'll turn it over and do the other side. So this is the only issue with this. You're going to have to be patient. You're going to have multiple frying pans probably going if you're going to do the whole family, which when my whole family comes down, I usually have 2 frying pans running when I'm doing it. All right. And we'll come back when we go to flip it. All right, let's flip it over. It's been about 2 minutes. Look at that. We'll give this side another 2 minutes and then we're going to try it out. All right, let's crack into them. Ooh, doesn't that look good?
Personally, this is the only way I'll do my toasties, and I will not do it any other way. If you like this video, don't forget to like the video, and if you want to, subscribe. I've got more to come, and I hope to see you around soon. Thanks for watching.